January 20th, 2026, Bitcoin daily update. Start with the monthly time frame. We got price action rising above, rising up. We got higher lows, and we got higher highs. November dipped down, December sideways. January seems to be pushing up. It's just above the December candle before it. This may be a reenactment of this previous turn here. Swing low, drop, sideways, pump, drop, sideways, possible pump. If we go to the weekly time frame, price action above the 200 MA. Price action is getting further away from the 200 MA, showing a little bit of strength. We had a little drop here in November, sideways in December, a little pump up now in January. We'll keep an eye on that. Daily time frame, price action goes below the 200 MA. That's showing some weakness, bearishness. But it went down. The lower lows are still getting a little bit higher each time. These two are getting closer to price action at 200 MA. So the question is, as they converge, does price action rise above the 200 MA, or does it reject it and come back down? Remains to be seen. Hourly time frame, price action going sideways. Is this chop accumulation what you want to see in the beginning of the week? So normally you want this accumulation, some manipulation, a little dip, and then a rip back up. So this is consistent with a AMD model right now. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the week when the news drivers come out. 15 minutes, showing a little bit of uptick here. Had a lot of consolidation, then price went above the 200 MA, now went below the 200 MA, so it's a little kind of mixed, but slowly getting steadily higher. So we'll have to see if this price action stays above this low or this low. If it fights above these, that's bullish and gets back above the 200 MA. Or if not, it'll go lower to this point, which is 86,430. Let's see how we can look at this with trend lines. Action line, safety line. Price action is getting more narrower, tightening to this triangle chart pattern here. If we go even smaller time frame, you can see that price action has gone down. So we are tracing these lower highs. So we get this action line here, and we have even a smaller action line that just formed here as well too. So we'll keep track of that one as well, and see if this holds up. If price action keeps running down to this about 89K, we'll see when the market opens. But we can notice that we're all below the 200 MA, which is a bearish sign on a 1 hour. We have market news coming up here. So one on Wednesday, one on Thursday, and one on Friday. But we also do have one today, but you don't see. The World Economic Forum starts today, or day 2, on Tuesday. So I'm not sure how this will affect it, if at all, but something to be aware of. It's not a certain time, it's going to be all day basically. Liquidations, we got some liquidations above from 91.8 all the way up to 93.5, but we have some lower liquidations forming at 90K. So maybe we'll have a dip before a rip. It's possible. That is update for January 20th, 2026, Bitcoin update.